I'm going to demonstrate this gate opening up to a full open position, and you do this with a remote control, which has no battery, believe it or not. And you hold the button in, you hold it down during the duration of the movement, and when it gets to full open position, you let go. The locks engage. And when you go to close it, now you hit the red button, hold it down, but you can see what happens when I let go. The gate stops and the pins come out. Nothing's hurt, it's just that's how you make sure it's good and safe. Then you continue on its journey to the full close. Release the button, and the locks engage.